Today's letter is Tsade, and it's very exciting to be coming to the end of the alphabet after um, producing so many good videos to help everybody learn these letters. We have only 5 letters to go, and we've reached the end, so it's very exciting. The Tsade makes the ts sound, like it's not a combination that is too common in English. I'm not really aware of any words in English that start with the tsa, but it's a combination of a T and a Z or a T and an F, tsa, and the pronunciation is as follows. And I'll get a colored cursor on here for us. Let me make sure nobody's trying to join real quick. Okay. Joseph, would you kindly recite the pronunciations of the Tsade with the various vowels?
Za,
Not za, tsa. Start with the T, tsa.
za,
Wonderful.
zu,
Yep,
zo,
good.
tze,
Very good.
zi.
C, right. You know what? I think if I change the Z to an S, it's going to be a better indication of the pronunciation. Maria, you want to give it a try starting with sa?
Okay. Sa,
Good,
so,
good.
or su.
Yeah, Sue.
So,
Excellent,
se,
excellent.
si.
C, very good. Let's do some drill now, and I'll ask Joseph if you'd kindly go through the drill with us, pronouncing the Tsade with that TS. It's like a snake going tss. Anytime you're ready, brother.
Sa, se, sa,
Good,
si.
perfect, very nice. Continue, please.
Su, si, su, sa.
Well done. Next.
So, sa, so, su.
Very nice.
Se, su, se, so.
Perfect. Well done, Joseph. Finally,
Si, so, si, se.
well done. Very nice. We're going to do some very simple letter combinations in order to get a feeling for actually reading Hebrew words. But before we do that, let's just review some of the letters we've learned so far. Maria, can you identify the names of the letters on line 1?
Aleph,
Good.
bet,
Very good.
bet,
Nice.
Galef,
Gimel.
Gimel,
Well done.
final let.
Nice try, actually. This is the Dalet. I don't think you had too much exposure yet to the Dalet, but that was good work. Joseph, could you finish up the line naming the various vowels?
Kamats,
Good.
patak,
Patach.
patak,
Well done.
sere,
Perfect.
dalet,
Yes.
sere.
Excellent. Well done. So now we continue with some drill. I'll do a line, and then maybe Maria, you'll give it a shot. I'm going to line 6. So now we have to remember, the different letters, and then stick a kamats or a patach under it. They both make the ah sound. So the vowel is always going to make the ah sound, but you have to remember your letters now. So you have ah, ba, va, ga, da, ah, ba, va, ga, da. You want to give it a try, Miss Maria, line 6?
I don't know them.
Oh, okay. For all of our viewers, if you'd like to get these worksheets, please reach out to me, and I'm more than happy to share them with you. These are good basic first drills in remembering the letters and their pronunciations, and I think it'll help you very, very much.